On this episode, we are going to go over how I perfected the curly top. However, I need to wash my hair first, so let's get into it. Before we get into it, I ain't nothing like you. Love yourself like no one else. I'm telling the truth. Hey y'all, hey, welcome to my wash day / style. So I just washed my hair. I'm not gonna retwist it, but I am going to do a perm rod set on it. And what I did was I bought 6 packs of, let's see, how many is in here? It's 6 packs of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pack of 6 of these, and we're gonna try to see what we can do. Come on, focus in. There we go. We're gonna try to see what we can do with this. You know, we're gonna put it in my hair, and we're gonna see how it looks, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. All right. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna fast forward the video so you guys can, you know, not have to sit here for forever and watch me do my hair. But I'm also gonna take my time with it, so you guys bear with me as I do this look. And yeah, let's get into it. So you guys, I'm gonna be looking this way because this is where my mirror is, so I can do my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys stay to the end. I will be announcing the winner on this video for my tail bag giveaway. So yes, stay to the end so you'll be able to check that out. And hopefully we can do more videos, more giveaways, but that's not this video. Let's go ahead and get to my hair. All right.
Young Ball on the beat, Ball on the beat, Ball on the beat.
Alright, you guys, now that my hair is all pinned up, hopefully it'll turn out cute. This is my first time doing this, so we shall see how this goes. I'll see y'all tomorrow when I take this down and do makeup and all that good stuff. Alright, this is what we looking like today because sis ain't trying to take these rolls out yet, and it's raining outside, so this the fit. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess. If this is your first time joining me, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Again, my name is Princess. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have not, go ahead and subscribe because it's lit over here, sis. It's always lit over here. And on this video, I'm going to do a takedown. I've had these up for 2 days now. So if you made it to this part of the video, or I think I'm probably gonna put this at the beginning, not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna start all the way from the beginning for me actually doing the style as far as putting these flexi rods in my hair, because I wanted to try some curls. This is my first time doing this and I wanted to do it with you guys. So I'm gonna take them down right now, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys what I am wearing today. If you like this makeup on me, how I did my makeup, you can check it back on the last video. I'm gonna link it right here. I'm gonna also link it in the description area. You can go check out how I did my makeup or whatever, you know, the way I do my makeup. You know, everybody have their way of doing their makeup, so I just do mine and it comes out like this. Okay, but let me show you guys what I have on today. I am wearing my small tail bag, so I want to show you guys what I put on today with my tail bag, and then also I am going to announce the winner at the end of this video, so, or probably the middle or whatever. You gotta watch this video in order to see who the winner is, and that's on period. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys in the last video I was supposed to show you all my insert that I put, the organizer that I put in the bag. I just got the organizer. I had a large one in the first video that you saw, and it just didn't work. I'm gonna put the clip right here. It just didn't work, so I'm going to show you guys the medium. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to open it with y'all. You know, everything has to be done with y'all because y'all my family now. Hey, so thank you for being a part of Princess Giveaways. And thank you for being a part of my channel, Princess Sabrina Nelson. My name, I think I do have to say this because I never say this in my videos, but my first name is Princess, my middle name is Sabrina, and my last name is now Robinson, but my maiden name is Nelson. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me. We're gonna get started on this video. I'm just rambling at the mouth, but let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. All right, so I'm wearing Sabrina Boutique top. It's a bodysuit just like the last one I wore, and I got this skirt from Target, and the shoes I am wearing from Shein, and of course my Telfar bag in gold. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this takedown. You saw what I was wearing today, so hopefully my hair turns out good. I've had these rollers in for 2 days now, and hopefully sis is about to be cute today, because if not, we don't know what we're gonna do. This is my real hair. We don't know what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put some oil on my edges and stuff because them lights is itchy, okay? My edges do not play. I'm gonna put that over my scalp. And again, if you like this video of my makeup, if you like my makeup and you want to see like a little tutorial or whatever, it's not really a tutorial. Like I said, it's just showing you guys how I do my makeup, what works for me, with what I have at home. Because who about to go spend some more money on some makeup? I mean, I already spent enough. All right, where we gonna start, y'all? Where we gonna start? Let me brush the edges in a little bit. I could probably do it at the end, but all right, let's go ahead and start in the back. Let's see how that goes. Yo, I'm scared. Okay, so I'm going to, I don't know how to take these down. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, curly fry. Okay. All right, I'm gonna fast forward this video as I take these down, y'all, and then we're gonna see how it goes. I mean, a lot of them I put like a lot of them on it. So let me just go ahead and fast forward. Y'all, look at how she turned out. Oh my gosh. I love it. Yes, ma'am. I have curls, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to probably pick her out or whatever. And y'all, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, let me pick her out, and then I'm gonna be back with y'all, and then y'all gonna see how the final result is or whatever, and then I'm gonna announce the winner. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, I am back. I done picked her out a little bit, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm excited how she turned out, and yeah, I don't understand. I finally did some curls on my head. I haven't done my curls since I was loose natural, and I'm just gonna show y'all a picture right here. This is when I was loose natural, and I would do the shredded temper curl look or the curl. Whew, I'm breathing hard because I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see what my hair used to look like when I was loose natural and I would curl my hair, and now Cause sis got her girls they back. I mean, this is my first time doing it on my locks, so of course it's gonna get better with time. They're gonna get longer or whatever. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and announce the winner. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys. So 26 of y'all entered into my giveaway. I have written everyone's name on a sheet of paper and put it in this bag. And of course, you guys already know we're gonna win. This is my bag, but I'm going to give away the small cream one that's just like this one, but in small. This is called the glue from Telfar. If you don't know anything about Telfar, his first name is Telfar Clemens. His whole name is Telfar Clemens. He is a Liberian American, I believe. He's stationed out of New York, and y'all, his bags are fire. So anyways, I'm gonna have my husband pull someone's name, and y'all, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. For one, y'all got my views and everything up as far as within the time frame that I posted the video. Thank y'all for commenting. Thank y'all for looking at the whole video and finding out what the code is, because y'all following the instructions and stuff. So thank y'all for that. And then yes, I'm gonna have my husband pull the name, and I think I'm gonna make y'all wait to the next video. I don't know. This video is posting tomorrow on Wednesday, and I said I was going to announce the winner on Wednesday. Should I give people more opportunity, or should I announce it? Well, the winner is... Before we get into the winner, I know I keep on messing with y'all, but I want to show y'all these things before I announce the winner. I told you at the end or something like that, didn't I? Anyway, so let me show you this. This is one of the card holders that's from Target. I said I was going to show y'all in the last video, but I didn't, so I'm going to show y'all now. Similar as far as the material, the way it looks. And then, like I said, you're able to put your card right there. So, yeah, very similar, but I haven't worn her yet. One day I am going to wear her. And then I also want to show y'all this. So the old one's like this big. I'm gonna put a video right here because it did not fit in my purse the way I wanted it to fit. So I bought another organizer from Amazon, and I'm gonna link it below in the description if you guys want you a organizer for your purse. And this will actually keep the structure of the purse as far as it not looking bulky from the bottom. I don't like when the purses look like that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Has this little string or whatever. It has pockets where you put whatever you need there, right there, or pockets right there, pockets on the outside, a big pocket on this outside area, and then you also have another little thing where you can organizer where you can put inside of here like this and give you more pockets inside of this Teflon. And then see if that works better than the large one that I had. I don't want her to, I want her to fill it up, but not like that. Like how that one did. I want to have some space in there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. Perfecto. That's exactly how I want her in there. That's what she's doing. And it's keeping its shape. You see that bottom part? I want it to stay flat like that. And then of course when I get my black one, sis gonna already be ready with her organizer. Okay, so I want to show you guys those two pieces, that's accessories for your purse. Sis, get you an organizer for your purse. Even if you got a regular purse that kind of need an organizer, a small organizer or whatever, get you an organizer. Organize some stuff in your purse and stop scrambling through and get you an organizer. But anyways, the winner of the Teflon bag, let me go get her the Teflon, is John Morrow. I gotta show y'all before y'all. The winner of her. The winner. The winner. The winner in the bag. It's gonna be one winner. I'll carry because it's a good purse.
There's enough right for me around here.
Alright, so go ahead and stick your hand in there and pick one piece of paper.
Who's the winner today? I'm not looking.
Okay. Wow, this must have been meant to be, because it's Life with Alasia. Hey. Congratulations, girl. Girl, it must have been meant to be, sis, because hey, if I explain to you something, if I explain to y'all, it was so hard to choose. In Life with Alasia, I was like, darn it. Like, I was like, if you don't win, I was going to give you something else, because I really was like, for one, let me just explain this. You went above and beyond what I asked for when it came to my when it came to the rules, and I really thank you. I thank you for looking at all my videos and commenting. I thank you for reposting me, resharing me on your page, on your stories, and I'm so glad that you won. Thank you guys, everybody, for joining my giveaway, and I look forward to doing another video with you guys, another giveaway with you guys, and yeah, so excited. I'm more excited. I don't know, girl. Look, you said it's almost your birthday in my comments, sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Girl, you won. You won. Again, I don't know you, but I'm so glad that you are part of my family. We know each other now, sis. We cousins. I'm gonna make you a part of this Facebook. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and follow me on Facebook, and I'll send it to you not in the comments. I'll send it to you probably in your messages. Go ahead and message me on Instagram, girl, so you can claim your gift. I can send this to you, sis. And then we cousins. Oh, well, maybe we're sisters, because I'm giving this away. Hey, sister. But I'm gonna make you a part of this Facebook group if you're not already. It's a Telfar group. It ain't my group. I didn't start it, but it's so much fun to be in. And all right, y'all, hold on. What I was trying to say, it is so much fun to be in the Facebook group that I'm a part of, and I'm so excited to bring you along with the other girls and I that are in this group. We call each other cousins or whatever, but see, we sisters, because I'm giving you this one or whatever, and it's yours. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't gonna claim all the right to this one. This one yours, sis. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. I hope it gets to you before your birthday. Go ahead and message me on Instagram so you can claim your gift, sis. Go ahead, because if you don't claim it, somebody else will. Alright, girl. And again, to everyone that's watching, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section some hearts, because y'all know what it is. It's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here. I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Bye.